Dime qué es lo que pasa, ¿qué pasa?
You all are welcome to this video. Now the first thing is to get your empty clip, whether black or any color. Get your empty clip, crop it in the aspect ratio of 3:4. So after you are done with cropping the black clip you have, now go over to getting the audio that we'll be using. So the audio is already here. This is how to do it. Go to extract. Now look for the audio, the video of the audio. Now extract the audio from the video. So you can see the audio is 2, so I have to delete one, then we are going to be using one. So now the next place for you to go is to go to overlay. Click on overlay, click on add overlay. Now add the green screen image that we have. So when you have it, just go over to crop and crop it in the aspect ratio of 3:4. So after that, adjust the clips, the overlay clips and the main clips, just adjust them a bit long, because now you click on overlay again, you import the main video that we'll be using. So I'm going to be using this PG mascarata for this particular video. Now when you import, adjust it. After import, bring it down to the under the green screen one. Now go to the volume and take the volume to the lowest. Now the next thing for you to do is to scroll to where you see crop, then you crop in the video to the aspect ratio of 3:4, just to remove the text above the character. So you have to do it well in the way that the text will not be showing. So after you are done cropping, crop it well, then you now use your 2 finger to bring down the size of the video to fit into the screen of the iPad. As you can see, what I'm doing, I'm trying to make the video cover up the screen of the iPad so that there will be no green stuff showing. After sizing it well, scroll over to where we see layer, click on layer, use your hand to drag the green screen at the back of the video. Now as you can see, the video have gone to the back. Now scroll to where we have remove BG, click on chroma key, use your finger to pick the green color. Now clean up the age to 35. So this is it after you have removed the green screen. Now we now have the 3 clips, the background, the green screen and the video. Now the next thing to do is to cut off the video when it is at 7 seconds. Scroll to when the video hits 7 seconds, then cut, split it, delete that part. But still, it does not give us what we want. At that 7 seconds, we want the pygmalion character to be facing us. So for us to do that, we have to slow down the speed of the video. Go and scroll over to speed. Now click on normal. Reduce the speed to 0.7x. Now as you can see, the video has expanded a bit. Now before that 7 seconds, we have to track the character when it is facing the camera heads up. Now remember that the 3 clips are not up to length. Now we have to go back and go and bring down the green screen, drag it to the level of the video and the main black screen so that everything can be clean. So now we head over to tracking it when it is facing the camera in between 7 to 8 seconds. Now when you have it at in between 7 to 8 seconds, now you go and click on the zoom tab to zoom it up to take a screenshot. Now take the screenshot of that particular spot. Crop that screenshot to crop off those CapCut interface spots. Now head over to your app, go and download Clean AI. Head over to Clean AI, sign in. Now click on the plus icon, click on AI videos. Now wait for it to load, then click on frames, upload your image, that particular image you screenshotted, upload it. Now paste your prompt, the prompt that we'll be using to convert this image into video. Now this is the prompt. You can screenshot it if you want, screenshot it to use it to do your own replication. So after, wait for it to load. Now this is my own results of what I got after I uploaded my image and my prompt. So now this is what I got. After that, head back to your CapCut app, click on add overlay, then import that 6 seconds clip that you got from Clink AI. Now I'm importing my own. Import the 6 seconds clip. Now split that green screen overlay at that point where your overlay started. Now split it up at the point when the new overlay started. Click on that overlay, size it up with your 2 finger to cover up the size of that black main background. So after that you have done it. Now we have to get rid of the clean AI watermark. Scroll over to crop, click on 3.4 aspect ratio. Now zoom it a bit so that the clean AI watermark will be invisible. Because we don't want people to know that we generated this video from Clean AI, so we have to get rid of the watermark. So this is how it looks when you get rid of the watermark. As you can see, the watermark is no longer there again because you have cropped the watermark off. So after the removing of the watermark stores, you head over to the slow end before the total end of the last overlay video. Now scroll to where we have freeze, then click on freeze. Now freeze the last part. Now at the end, delete the remaining parts that we have at the end. There is a tiny part at the end of that clip, delete it. Now we now have the freeze part of the spot where they are shaking. Now while the overlay is being highlighted, click on animations. When it's open, click on the search icon at the top left corner. Now type in shake away, search, wait for it to load. So now when it's now open, click on the shake away, click on it. At the bottom of it, reduce it to 0.4 seconds. Reduce it to 0.4 seconds. There is the number you will reduce it to. So after you are done putting it in 0.4 seconds, click on the search icon, search for cross shake, search for cross shake. Now click on cross shake, reduce it to, at the bottom of it, reduce it to 0.3 seconds. 0.3 seconds is what you are going to reduce cross shake to. Now click on the shake button at the right, go to effect, click on effect, click on video effect. Now search for flash at the video effect, flash. Now click on black flash 2, click on it. Now click on adjust, reduce it to 56, the speed to 51, I mean. So after that, it's time to change the video color. Go back and scroll to adjust. You will see adjust, scroll to adjust, click on adjust. Yeah. Now click filters, scroll down and click on Hollywood. Click on it, reduce it a bit, reduce it to any number of your choice. Now the last thing to do is to add the skull head sticker. Add overlay. Now scroll to where we have this skull. You can screenshot it like this. Now import the skull head, click on crop so that we can crop off watermark. There is watermark on this skull head. You crop off the watermark in 3.4 ratio. Remember, that's the aspect ratio we are using for this video. Now go back, go to where we have remove BG, remove background, click on chroma key. Use your hand to pick the green color so that you can remove the green background. Then clean up the edge, increase the edge to about 56. So after that, time the tracking so that it can start with the freezed part. Shift the overlay so that it can start where the freeze part started. Now when you are done doing that, click on that overlay to reduce the size. Reduce it to the size, reduce it a bit so that it will be tiny a bit, not too tiny, just reduce it to normal size. After the tracking, please recheck so that you'll be sure that the score came in once with the overlay. As you can see, it came in once, immediately the overlay came in. Look, so this is how you know that you got the perfect tracking. Lastly, trim the end to be equal with all clip. Now export your video.
Dime qué es lo que pasa, ¿qué pasa?